Hi, I am Dhruvita Bandari, studying third standard in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Bemmalagar, Karnataka. I am practicing yoga with my father. We do every morning to the hill nearby, and there we practice yogasana. I do Chatusparsha Padasana from bottom of the hill to the top of the hill. There we there is 108 steps, and also I do sitting, standing, twisting asanas, and thank you.